DIY how to do some little quick and easy candies for your dessert table that you basically just need to stick. Let's get started with this project. You would obviously need these kinds of chocolates. I did find them in the Mexican store. They are marshmallow covered chocolate covered marshmallows that already come sealed in a little baggie. That's the fun part of this. You'll need skewers and some stickers from the dollar store. You can also find skewers at the dollar store. And the first thing that you're going to do is just stick the skewer right in the middle of the marshmallows. Now we're going to have to be careful a little bit, kind of hold it firmly so we don't squish it and break our marshmallows, but this is how they look. They already come pre-packaged, so that's the fun part about this dessert, this candy skewer that we're doing, because you don't need to do much work for it. You just need to hold it tightly, not breaking the marshmallows, and insert the skewer right in the middle. I first, it has this little wire thingies that I had it from little baggies, which is want to hold that little hole that we initially did with the skewer really tight so the marshmallows don't go bad, but it's just chocolate that is covered. With our stickers that we have gotten from the dollar store, these are scented scratch and scent or scratch and snip stickers, which were awesome. You can just decorate your candy thing. I had colorful. The theme that I had was Cabbage Patch, so I wanted to do a colorful thing. Obviously, I didn't find Cabbage Patch stickers, but these were just fine. They smell wonderful. The kids like to scratch and sniff, or they were basically sniffing the thing and thinking that was the flavor of the chocolate. But this is fun. You don't need to buy any other thing. You don't need to be messy with your fingers or anything like that. You just stick the skewer and stick on the stickers, and that's all that you do for this dessert. And they're very fun. You can put it in the table center, stick them in little baskets, or just put them in your table center, not your table center, your dessert table at your party. Here's how I initially do the little hole on the bag, and continue sticking the little skewers right through the middle of the marshmallows. Again, I found these marshmallows at a Mexican store, so if you want to find these, you gotta go to a Mexican candy store and look for them. They're not sold anywhere, but you can also do it with other kinds of candies, just that are already pre-sealed or pre-packaged. Just stick a little skewer in there and then stick a sticker, and they all look fine. I'm going to do the same thing to all of them. Here I already have them all finished up, and well, at least the first layer of the chocolates. I will do everything myself out of camera, but that's they came out really nice. Show you the last one. Thank you guys for watching this easy and quick DIY how to do your little candy table desserts that are pre-packaged. I will see you next time. Subscribe. Bye bye.